harnessing electron flow energy, thereby providing power and strength to the community, we present DIY Electric Grid. The basic node box shown here connects to solar panels for input, optionally connects to utility for backup power, connects to charge a battery, and can power appliances such as computers and kitchen equipment. Also preferred is our water heater node, which is set to a lower priority in the grid. A group of typically 4 to 6 solar panels connects to our basic node. The node has 2 power receptacles to power appliances. The panels are wired to output between 120 and 140 volts typically. Small appliances plug in directly, and computers, printers, cell phone chargers are plugged in via their adapters. The basic node can charge batteries. We love utilities and what they can do. The DIY grid system can work alongside your regular utility power as emergency backup. In addition, utility power may be used by the DIY grid to provide backup power. Most of your appliances, such as computer power adapters, can use the pulsing DC power from the basic node. However, inductive appliances such as refrigerators require AC power and will be refused by the basic node, which alerts via a warning light and shuts off automatically. Inductive appliances instead are supplied by our inductive appliance node box, shown here in green. Water heaters particularly work well and are connected by their own box, which is set to low priority. At low solar power, appliances such as computers have high priority. At high solar irradiation, showed as higher electrical current in the meter on the left side, the low priority appliances automatically turn on to dump all of that very cheap afternoon solar energy into the lower priority dump load. Nodes connect to each other. At night, the grid supplies high priority appliances such as TVs from backup utility power or from batteries. As the sun rises, the increasing solar power displaces the backup power in a smooth manner as regulated automatically by the grid. By connecting nodes to each other, solar power not used by one node, such as when a neighbor goes to work, is automatically sent to neighboring nodes. There is no limit to the number of nodes that can form grids, as the system is auto-regulated. Add a node by simply connecting a wire to an existing grid. This provides sustainability to entire neighborhoods.